Welcome to MB Navy Updates. In today's video, we will discuss about MB Navy Updates. Just by clicking this website in your search bar, click enter and you will come to the main page of mbnavyupdates.com, where you can find the home page. We will today discuss about the update instruction. Just by clicking update instruction, you will return to the update instruction page, where you can see the Mercedes-Benz navigation update and a short summary that is given. Also, you can see how to update your map just by ensuring your latest version that it may work on USB drives. So just by clicking and doing step-by-step information, you can come to the video where you can see all the MB Navy update instruction. Also, how to install the update. It's all here. The short brief summary is given to install the updates. If you want to visit for more information, click on mbnavyupdates.com, where you can visit us easily. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel of mbnavyupdates.com.